There are more than 40,000 electric car charging stations across the United States, and that number is growing every day. The vast majority of EVs have a live internet connection, and their software systems provide real-time information, including traffic, road construction, and where to find the nearest charging station. There are also a number of other websites and resources for locating places to charge up. The GreenCars charging network, available on GreenCars.com, is a handy index of locations and charging stations across the US. This network highlights charging locations on an easily accessible map. You'll find level 1, 2, or 3 charging options. The PlugShare website and app provide EV charging station information across North America, Asia, and Europe. A community of active members contribute to and update the database, making it a good resource. It has information about EV charging networks, locations, charging fees, payment methods, real-time information on usage, and more. ChargeHub works like PlugShare, with one key difference. It lets you send a message to other users through the app. This allows users to coordinate charging station time and provides a way to share resources if needed. The Alternative Fuels Data Center, or AFDC, is a U.S. Department of Energy database. It shows public charging stations nationwide and allows users to filter by charger type. Thanks to all of these helpful resources and the rapid expansion of EV charging infrastructure, it's now easier than ever to find a conveniently located charging station. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get recommendations for other useful content on green cars and how they can work best for you.